This video will show you how to install the DPS Turbonator software and the driver. You're going to have to install the driver and the software, not just one, but two things. So to do that, you go to dieselpowersource.com, scroll down to the bottom of that page, and there you'll see an information. Underneath information, you'll go to install instructions. In install instructions, you'll find the software you're going to download. Here it's the first one. It may change from time to time, but it's probably the first one. Click on that. When that is clicked on, you'll see up here Microsoft now has the downloads come here on my computer. Yours may be slightly different depending on your Microsoft updates. Click on open file. It'll open this. Now this is just the file that you've downloaded. The first one is a software. DPS Turbonator.msi is a software. This is the driver, the USB driver. You have to have this driver for your USB to work. So first click on the software, and mine pops up with this Windows, and it says Windows Protect Your PC. Anyway, this is a Microsoft Defender, Smart Screen, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to click on more information, and then there I'm going to hit Run Anyway. My Norton protection, my Norton antivirus protection popped up, but I want to run this program anyway. You may have a different type of antivirus software. When I click that, this will pop up. Welcome to the DPS Turbonator Setup Wizard. You're going to hit Next, and down here it's going to put it somewhere, so hit Next again, and then hit Next. When you do that, it's going to say, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes. Click on yes, and then the installation is complete. I hit close. Now I have to also install the driver. The driver has to be clicked on, and then we have to extract all. You have to extract the driver. So I'm going to extract it. It's going to place it to this place on my computer. When it does that, now you can see that red, before it looked like this, had a little different icon. Now it has a little red one. Before it was white and blue, now it's red. So I click on that, and now it's saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, we do. And now you're going to extract it to your computer, and you're going to hit Next. You can read through this agreement, but you're going to have to accept it to get it. Hit Next again and finish. Now if I click and put all these things down, you can see right here I have the DPS Turbonator software. If I double click that, it will actually pull up the software. And at this point, you can plug in your USB and connect.